Qed toqrob lejn tmiem għall-Presidenza Maltija tal-Kunsill tal-Unjoni Ewropea u r-rikonoxximent għal dak li rnexxielu jinkiseb minn Malta fuq oqsma diversi ma jaqta' xejn. Il-Viċi-President tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea Andrus Ansip kien ċar ħafna. Ansip li hu responsabbli mill-qasam diġitali għalli hu diffiċli li jerġa' jinkiseb is-suċċess li kisbet Malta.
First of all, I would like to thank Maltese government for the excellent presidency. It's difficult to repeat success achieved by Malta during the presidency.
Il-Kummissarju Ansip irrefera għal qasam diġitali u fil-waqt li ħafna semgħu dwar ir-roaming li setet kienet l-iktar kisba li spikkat, fakkar kif ma kienitx l-unika.
We are not just talking about abolishing of roaming surcharges, but we have to discuss about this. This is a remarkable achievement for the whole year. But we have to talk also about 700 megahertz. Thanks to Malta, we reached a consensus in this quite specific issue, and everybody has to know that we can just dream about having 5G in the European Union without clarity in this 700 megahertz band. It will never happen. So portability of the content. If people, they don't have to pay for those high roaming surcharges anymore, they would like to get access to their legally bought digital content even when traveling to some other EU member states. Thanks to Maltese presidency, it will happen. 9 months. Next year, our people, they can enjoy their favorite movies, TV series, music, e-books, audiobooks, football, which is extremely important, even when they spend their holidays in some other EU member states.
Hemm kisbiet oħra marbuta mal-aċċessibilità tat-teknoloġija fil-waqt li teżisti t-tama wkoll li fl-aħħar jiem ta' din il-Presidenza jinkiseb aktar.
Wi-Fi for EU, Marrakesh Treaty, which is especially important for blind people. Once again, thanks to Maltese presidency, we were able to bring clarity also in those issues. But this presidency is not over yet. I hope we will get good news also about abolishing unjustified geo-blocking, which is a real headache for European citizens today.
Id-diskors ta' Ansip u xhieda diretta ta' kif il-prijoritajiet li għamlet Malta qabel ma f'Jannar li għadda ħadet it-tmum qegħdin jintlaħqu.